In our most recent episode, we went on a rainy camping adventure in a campsite that has just reopened its doors this year. It was an episode where we had a chance to camp under our favorite camping weather. It was a gorgeous place up in the mountains, and the views were definitely breathtaking. If you are new to the Unplugged Life channel, we make camping and adventure videos based in the Philippines. And right now, we are on a journey to share our camping experiences and showcase different campsites in Negros Occidental. In this episode, you'll be able to join us in another rainy camping experience in one of the safest campsites in Negros Occidental, which we highly recommend. Join us in this episode where we camped in the rain, grilled some meat, had some wine, watched some movies, and woke up to a view of the foggy mountains. Camping is never boring. You can always build your home outdoors and make it as comfy as you'd like. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos like this and join the journey of the Unplugged Life family. Another vlog, another camp. TBH, I'm not sure why our videos always starts off with grocery shopping, but we have no choice because it always starts like that. Surprise! By the way, we're having samgyeopsal for tonight. Yes! If you have subscribed to this channel for quite some time now, you would know that this is no longer a surprise routine because we always go to the gasoline station right after grocery runs. So yep, fuel up before the road trip. Now that we have all the necessary ingredients to make sugar, spice, and everything nice for tonight's dinner menu, we are headed to our campsite, which is, by the way, one of the safest campsites in Negros Occidental. I think I've already mentioned that at the very beginning of the video, but I would just like to stress that out. Not sponsored, but we were just given the chance to camp here for free, just like some other campsites we've visited. And trust us when we say we highly recommend this place. We have finally reached our destination for today's video. I will take it from here so you guys could enjoy the rest of our camping adventure. And by the way, before I stop talking, I would just like to say that we have a goal of reaching 1,000 subscribers, and we would highly appreciate it if you guys would help us reach that goal. If you still haven't subscribed to our channel and you're watching this video, please do subscribe. It would really help us support this channel so that we could create more content for you guys. Thank you so much!
this food and bless this food as we partake. Thank you so much for the blessing. Thank you so much for the safety. Siyempre,